StarCutter originated as a gear cutting tool producer in 1927, and over the years, as we grew, we had difficulties with external dependencies in order for us to meet our customers' objectives. As a result, we had to find a way to meet those objectives, and many times this meant for us to develop the technology ourselves. And as a solution provider, the determination for finding solutions has coined the phrase, find a way or make one. And we believe this and live it out every day, internally and with our customers. We develop material technologies, grinding technologies, coating technologies, as well as advancements in the cutting tools themselves, sometimes used for a solution with a customer and sometimes an internal solution for ourselves. But in every aspect, the integration of these technologies and advancements helped us become a more competitive company. We serve a wide range of markets, including aerospace, automotive, defense, energy, medical, and off-highway markets. StarCutter has developed into a global supplier of cutting tools, machines, and materials. We've developed this over many years of relationships with strategic partners and following our customers where they've asked us to go. While our corporate offices are located in Farmington Hills, Michigan, we've established additional sales offices, manufacturing locations, and distribution partners around the world to ensure we are best positioned to serve and grow with our global customer base. A large advantage for our customers is the ability for our salespeople and support personnel to cross-sell and to provide solutions across different product lines. By having all of these under our control and in our market basket, we're able to meet the customer's needs without them having to go to another source. When customers ask us how we can be so efficient at solving their problems, we're able to show them the control of material, the integration of our technology and machines, and the advancements that we've made in our designs help us control our costs and provide value to them by integrating it through the whole life cycle of the product. StarCutter was founded in 1927 by my great-grandfather. As the fourth generation of the Lawton family, we are proud to see the progress over the many years that we have had the business. Our success is dependent upon growing with our customers and learning how to meet their needs. As technology changed, we had to change too, not just locally here in the North American market, but all around the world in order for us to be competitive. Each of our facilities specializes in producing a specific type of product or service. Carbide blanks and preforms, solid carbide cutting tools, gundrills, PCD tooling, gear cutting tools, and 5-axis CNC tool and cutter grinding machines. In order to help our employees grow, we establish very solid relationships with our local educational institutions, whether that be the high schools, local community colleges, or trades. We are very committed to helping grow our name in the community and establish a solid relationship as a key employer for the area. StarCutter believes in promoting from within and advancing our people with additional opportunities for them to learn. Throughout our history, we have wonderful stories about people that have advanced through apprenticeship programs or worked their way up from running a machine to leading parts of the organization. And it's a great testament to the quality of the people that we have in the organization. StarCutter would welcome the opportunity to work with you and leverage our capabilities to meet your needs. As you look for a partner in solving your problems, we would ask that you would think about us. We want to be more than just a transaction. We want to be your solution.